Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have something pretty unique and pretty special. This is the first generation Nissan Leaf, more specifically the 2017 model. The Leaf kind of started the craze of electric vehicles. Of course, Tesla, I think these came out in like 08 or 09. But they really kind of started the craze of let's make everything electric, and the future could actually be electric. They kind of really started off the electric vehicle market, and they look really, really cool. It's actually a good sized vehicle. This is my first time really seeing one, getting up close to one. Definitely first time driving one, but they're a good size. I thought they were a lot smaller than this, but no, this one is pretty good. $40,800 miles. You'll see how quirky this thing is. Look at that. You'll see just how really cool these things are. Sliding visor, of course, which means no. I wish it slid, that would make it even better. Love this whole gauge cluster. Suede material. It's like a suede cloth. I really like it. LED. This is really, really cool. Your shifter, up and over for reverse, has a backup beeper so people know. Straight over for neutral, down for drive, and then B for battery saving / braking. I'll start off the bat. Is it fast? No. It's about as quick as a Corolla. It's not blow your socks off Tesla fast. It was never designed to be that way, but it does have a good acceleration to it. It's actually not bad now that I've driven it a little bit. I have put it into B mode, just because I like the regenerative braking. You know what's funny is this was actually in, I think, Gran Turismo 5. This was in a Gran Turismo game. I remember playing it a bunch as a kid, just because I thought it was kind of cool to race around in an electric car. The regen is actually really impressive. For example, I'm not touching the brake at all right now. That whole time slowing down until the very end, there was no brake involved. That's why I love it. One, you save your brake pads, and two, it's just kind of fun to be like, hey, I don't have to hit the brakes. It just kind of coasts to a stop. Now you'll notice right up by the speedometer, there's a little gauge there. The more eco-friendly you are, you start growing branches on that little thing that looks like a tree. I mean, obviously if you just floor it all the time and stuff like that, you're gonna start to lose your tree. But as long as you're eco-friendly, which I'll put it into eco mode now, you'll be able to grow your tree. I love this thing. It's so quirky, it's so cool. I love the early electric vehicles. Even, let's go back to the 90s with the GM EV1. You know how unique that thing was? You know, just so cool. Now electric vehicles are just kind of like a normal car. These were something special. They were just so futuristic, so cool. You could tell the manufacturers put a lot of marketing and design into these. Let's see how it does in the snow here. Oh, not bad at all. I put one wheel off, one wheel on. I got a full tree. Check that out. I got the full tree. Now there was no tree when I started it, and just from when I started driving this around, I have made the full tree. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.